Welcome back. You're watching News Now, and on to a kind of news flow from the national capital. And thousands of farmers have been allowed to enter the national capital for the unplanned protest march against the farm laws after massive showdown with the police at the Haryana border. Farmers have been permitted to protest at the ground at Burari area. Earlier in the day, the cops used water cannon and tear gas shells at the protesting farmers to stall them, but farmers refused to budge. My colleague Alok is there on ground and he's taking us through the latest development. Alok?
In the morning, that huge deployment of police force all over around this place where right now I'm standing. In fact, these are the barricades, concrete barricades, and here the barbed wires were also there. But right now the barbed wires have already been removed. But one layer, last layer of securities is still left, and you can see just this security layer is still left, and if farmers break this, then they will be able to manage and cross the border. But if you see the other side, the farmers are still sitting. And in fact, if you see that now they are sitting because they are not at all ready to go towards Burari. Since morning, there was the anticipation that the clashes could happen between the farmers, which those farmers who are coming from Punjab and various parts of Haryana. They were marching towards Singhu border, and now they have already reached to Sindhu border. And before 2 hours from now, when they reached Singhu border, there was a clashes broke out between the farmers and the police. And in fact, one by one, the farmers started breaking the barricades that were multi-layered barricades that were broke down by the farmers. Then later after that, once at the same time when the clashes broke out, immediately Delhi police come out with an options to give the farmers that they can shift. They are allowed to enter the national capital, but they are not allowed to reach near the parliament. They are not allowed to do their sit-in at the Ramlila Maidan or Jantar Mantar, but they can do their sit-in at the Burari's Nirankari's ground. Now, the farmers, because there are 500 organizations, some of the farmers organizations, in fact, are now ready to move to Burari, but majority of them are not at all ready to do their sit-in at Burari, because Burari is located around 15 to 20 kilometers away from the parliament. So definitely what they are feeling that the government will not consider their demands, and they will be sitting in the outskirts of the national capital.
Alok, for getting us latest from the farmers' protests.